1954 fire truck. Going to be auctioned this Saturday, August something 7th, 8th. And all the reserve stuff is going to be given to first responders and veterans. And it's just a beauty. And it belonged to the Auburn Fire Department. And as you can see, it's sitting on his nose. Van Pelt hubcap. Don't know what that means. Lots of gauges here. All lit up. Bunch of stuff in there, nozzles and stuff. Helmet. You got a hose. Fire extinguisher. Another helmet. Picture of the fire truck before they worked on it. Flashing red light. More fire stuff. Hose. Whole bunch of patches for different fire departments.
All right. Okay, where do I stand? It is there.
And
all right.
up there you can see another helmet. And some more big nozzles. Another fire extinguisher and a fire jacket. In the rear of it, it's a old hoser. And there it is, American flag, red lights.